Ready for race day,
Boogity, boogity. It's gonna be a good day.
You don't want to top down in 40-degree weather?
I just don't want to mess my hair up. And if you don't know, now you know.
You hear that?
Yeah. Got some beefcakes on here. We gonna have a little bit of rubbing.
Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy.
It's just a little scrubby. I mean, if you don't have any amount of rub at all, then your fitment's just not aggressive enough. I think we need to just go ahead and pull both fender liners out altogether. Oh, he's got race tape on.
For some reason, it's really slippery. I gotta adjust my tires.
Feels really slippery for some reason?
Yeah, I don't know.
Can't be the LS sitting in there, right?
No. No, it's the loose nut behind the wheel.
Is that tech inspection?
Yeah, that's tech. It's a good thing I went through tech like as soon as we got here. I did that first. Instead of being faster at registration, I was faster at tech. Rolled right through it.
You already did?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, there was literally nobody there. I was like the first person to get teched all fucking day. Let's see what this course looks like.
Round one, fight!
As I pull out for my first run, I'm reminded of that clunking noise we never diagnosed.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Content with my first run not being a DNF as usual, I pulled back into grid to inspect my fenders for damage. The rears are clearing fine, but the fronts are getting eaten into a little bit.
Holy!
We expected it to be a little bit worse than that, so to help them out, I grabbed a little bit of extra weight in the form of my favorite instructor.
You want to go for a ride?
I'd love to.
See how we're doing today.
This is a sweet looking car.
How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
Well, we are on a fresh set of 71 RSs and also new Wilwoods all the way around, 4.0 roads. I think I can be more confident hitting them harder later. You ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Yeah, we
What
still
was
got some
that?
rubbing. A little bit of rubbing. Still got some trimming to do.
Yeah. And your lines are good.
Because the difference in weight distribution was just enough to significantly amplify the front fender contact, I took it easy the rest of the run, which resulted in this.
Yeah, these are a little bit wider than the ones we were on before, and we've not quite accommodated them yet.
Oh, my butt's bigger on this car than any other car.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
But what do you think happened in that first slalom where you kind of biffed it a little bit?
Yeah, I'm gonna chalk it up to still getting used to new tires. Still haven't learned where their limits are. Any specific input?
It's anticipating those corners, because
Yeah.
usually when you start losing the traction like that, it's not, you're not anticipating the corners.
Yeah.
But those offsets, I still haven't.
They're a pretty wide offset.
They are. So it's like, do you just carry your speed up until that second one,
Yeah.
do a little bit of braking or lifting and get yourself around, and then, I don't know. I'm still trying to figure it out. But that's the only place where I saw that you really did not have a good line. The rest of it,
The rest of it's just a matter of going faster.
Yep, yep.
Yep, we'll get there.
But the question is do you need third gear in order to get up that hill? Because
I don't think so. I
Okay.
barely touched limiter right before the Chicago box, so
Okay.
I think we're all right.
and that Chicago box really slowed you down, and it really isn't designed to slow you down as much as it did.
Should be able to dip in and out faster than I did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But don't ask me how to go about doing it. You did lose speed right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
What are you doing?
I'm making an angry noise. Stop making noise.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
We gotta roll this when we get home. Now that my front fenders weren't trying to completely murder my front tires, we were able to get back out there and actually give her the full beans, which resulted in the Miata staying top of the class.
Burnout competitions next week, but that's cool.
Cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and
So, you know, watching everybody else run around the course, like seeing them hit the cones that you didn't hit on your time around. It's kind of like life. How we all take slightly different paths and keep going. And we all hit our own unique cones.
Okay, go ahead, let them through.
And you know, there's nothing you can do about it. You just let them fall over and wait on a thick boy to come behind and pick up the pieces. That's all you can do.